How to go live on Instagram. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So here, as you can see, I am on my profile on my Instagram app. So from here you want to go to your homepage, and from here you just have to swipe just like this, or you can just click on this plus icon from the top of the page, and then right at the bottom you have to change all of this to live, the last option. So from here, if you want to go live, you just have to click on the button right here in the middle, and now they are checking your connection, and now we are live. So if you want to end the live, um just go back and then click end video. And then if you want to share this live, you can share it to IGTV or just download the video. So now let's go back. And yeah, guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can comment down below your thoughts, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.